In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Hulu login issues. So if you're having login issues in Hulu application, there are various ways to fix it. First of all, what you can do is simply try connecting to a stable network. Sometimes the issue might be caused because of unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, you should be able to log into your account, but sometimes the problem might also be the wrong credentials. So make sure the credentials that you provided are correct. After you do that, your login problem should be solved. But still, if you're not being able to log into your account, there might be some bugs in the app itself. So in that case, what you can do is simply try updating the app. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here, Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply type in Hulu. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Right now Hulu app is not available in Play Store for me, but you'll be able to see the application over here. Simply tap on it, and in another interface what you have to do is tap on the option update. Wait for a while and your application will be updated and your problem should be solved. But still, if you're not being able to log into your account, try clearing the cache of the app. For that, what you have to do is open the app library of your device, find the application for Hulu and long press on it. Now tap on this option App Info that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the App Info interface. Tap on this option Storage and Cache that you can see on the screen. Now in the storage interface, you'll be able to find this option for Clear Cache. Tap on it. Now you can see over here the cache of the application will be cleared. Now try logging into your account and your problem should be solved. But still, if you're not being able to log into your account, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. After that, try logging into your account and you'll be logged into your account. So like this, you'll be able to solve your problem. So that is how you fix Hulu login issues. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.